A homeless man in Silicon Valley is on the path to success after handing out resumes at an intersection in the Bay Area. NBC Bay Area says that a woman noticed 26-year-old David Casares holding a sign that read, "Homeless, hungry for success. Take a resume." After taking a photo of the young man and his resume, her Twitter post quickly went viral. The Texas A&M grad told NBC Bay Area that the cost of living in the region and difficulty landing a job drove him to live in his van, which he also had to give up because he couldn't pay for it and ended up living in a park. Since the tweet went viral, Casares has been approached by several Bay Area companies. But while it seems like things will work out for Casares, his story showcases the struggle of making it in Silicon Valley. In areas like the Bay Area and others in California, workers are expected to make 4 or more times the minimum wage to afford an apartment.